What's the biggest career move you've ever made? For me, it was when I got my BS in marketing. It was the scariest and riskiest thing I'd ever done at the time. I'd been interviewing with companies for a manager training program, and Enterprise Rent-A-Car offered me a job. And the Friday before I was to start on that Monday, the Walt Disney Company offered me a job in their promotion and advertising department. The catch? It was for a secretarial position. I had to make a decision in less than 24 hours. And you know what I did? I took it. And I took it for 4 reasons. First, the Walt Disney Company was a Fortune 100 company. Second, it was in the marketing department, in my wheelhouse, which is what I wanted to do. Third, while I was a secretary, I was going to learn from industry veterans. And fourth, I had the opportunity to make connections that I thought would last a lifelong time. The result? That job paid off tenfold for me. It opened up doors that I never thought I could have imagined. So what's your biggest career move? I'm Lisa Perry, a 20-year marketing veteran working for Fortune 100 companies to emerging growth startups. Check out my link for articles and my book on brand marketing, how to develop a step-by-step brand strategy.